Now, we're back with day 4, Eco Rangers. I'm Lisa from Shangri. Remember, this week we've talked about gravity, we've talked about force, and we've talked about sound.
So now we're going to put all 3 together: force, gravity, and sound. In your day 4 bag, you're going to see a cup with a card and some pennies. So you'll put the penny on top just like this. Use force to flick the card out of the way. Gravity pulled that penny down, and did you hear the sound? So you'll put the penny on top just like this. Use force to flick the card out of the way. Now if you get really good at this, start putting on more than 1 penny.
For our next experiment, you'll probably need help with this because someone's going to have to assist you holding the string. You can pull one string and tape it to the wall. The other end of the string, you will thread the straw through, and then you'll take a balloon, blow it up. Don't tie it, just hold it while your friend tapes the balloon to the straw. Now, hopefully the force of air will allow the balloon to travel down the string. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1! Wow, it worked! 3, 2, 1! See how many times you can do that. Your challenge today in day 4 is to take your cup with your string, pull the string through on the bottom where there's a hole, and then tape it down with the paper clip. Now, try to make a sound with it. What does that sound like to you? Chicken? Turkey? I hope you've enjoyed Energy Adventures as much as I have. Now you can redo the experiments over and over again. And you also have this cool t-shirt bag to reuse. And remember this is most important.
We miss you, we're proud of you, stay curious.
Bye!